Hey, it's the FYI guy. Today I got me a pair of readers. These are my wife's readers I'm going to fix today. As you can see, the frame broke here. A common problem with these. Uh, Probably fix them for about buck and a half, instead of paying 15, 20 bucks for another pair. What we're going to do is take some super glue, just some cheapest super glue you can find, buck and a half, $2 a piece. Generally, you only get one use out of a tube because the tip ends up clogging up on you. So it's hard to get it back out, at least at a fine tip. So you get one use usually out of them. So what we're going to do is first go through a test run. You always want to do a test run on your clamps to make sure they're going to work right. You know, if you put this in here, I made this tie, bread tie. It's going to slide over there and it's going to tighten good and snug. And then I took a rubber band and I figured 3 loops, 1, 2, 3 loops is what it takes. And it's going to go to the sideways. This will keep it tight until the glue sets up. Okay. Always try to do a test run to make sure you got your clamps right. Don't wait till you glued it and then try to figure all this stuff out. Do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. There's a little pointy tip on your glue cap. You need to poke an opening. You can see that opening, and then screw your cap back on. Okay. Then I'm going to take the frame and I'm going to put just a little bit. You got to get on both sides of the brake. You got to brake, so you got to get some glue on this side and this side, or it's not going to bond well. And get some glue down in there on both sides. Okay. Then you're going to take your lens and get your lens in there. Okay. Now you can hold it for a few seconds and it will bond. It will bond. Okay. I'm going to slide my wire tie on, hold it down. A couple more twists in there. You can see I got that. And then I'm going to take my rubber band. I figured 3 loops was going to work for me. So that's 1. That's 2 and 3. I got 3 loops. I'm going to put this on. And I'm going to let it sit and dry. Okay. There you go. Just run a little bead of super glue along the bottom, and you got to catch where the brake is. The brake's here. The brake's here. You got to put super glue along the bottom. The brake's here. And on the both sides of the brake. I put a wire top, bottom, and a rubber band side to side. I recommend letting this sit. I know super glue says it adheres, you need 30 seconds and all that, but I would wait at least a couple days to let it cure. The longer the better. Okay.